Who dey call me for this kind time? Hello, Klopp. Why dey call me by this kind time? Abeg o, I just wan ask you one small question. Which kind question be that wey you no fit wait for better time to ask am? Abeg, no vex. I say make I ask you, shame dey catch you at all? Wetin you mean by that kind question? Why I dey ask na say, e be like say the shame wey suppose catch you don leave you come dey catch me for here. Why the shame go catch you? Why the shame no go catch me? When I mobilize 50 buses of Liverpool fans to come support una for una match against City. The way wey una take repay me na to fall my hands, fall my blockers, fall everything wey I raise up for una. No be my fault na. No be me say make una go support me. See the kind thing wey dey comot for your mouth sef. So to play common draw with una town rivals una no fit. How many people don fit play draw with them? Even Chelsea no lose for their hand. Why na my own go come different? Your own dey different because una dey the same town dey see each other dey train. You can't go chop 4 goals wey ripe for their hand. Abeg leave me Joe. I don already tire for this Man U wey I come coach sef. Before I do anything, Ororo don already dey shout for me like say na him find work give me. If I tell the boys to go play something for pitch, dem go enter go dey play another thing. I don tire Joe. I just dey wait for the day wey dem go tell me say my interim work don finish. I go jejely carry my kaya dey go Germany.
My people, them get this 1xbet promo wey dem dey call the M effect. Where be say if you carry 1,110 naira take bet like 45 games wey get nothing less than 1.17 odds and that thing can't enter, them go summer you 1.5 million or even more depending on the month where you win. Because every month them they increase them by 1.5 million. If you want register, don't forget to use the promo code GNEXT so that you go get your 200% bonus for your initial deposit. And 2, make sure say they bet with sense, plus read their rules and conditions for each and every promo. Thank you.
Oga Moyo Hansari, una welcome.
Thank you, Kobala.
My boy.
Oga Sari, last Sunday, Man U lose 4-1 for their derby match against Man City. Wetin you fit take cause that heavy loss even as Liverpool fans comot come support them?
Not be only Liverpool fans support themselves. Even neutral football fans wey dey enjoy competitive football bin support them. But them go for their hands. The match no even dey competitive. Them chop 4 goals finish, lick hand like say na egusi soup them chop. On a normal day, other teams dey enter dressing room after first half to go ginger themselves to play even more better ball for second half. Meanwhile, Langnick enter dressing room to go on ginger him boys.
Wetin you mean, sir?
Him go comot that small ginger wey dem even take play for first half sef. As dem enter second half, dem turn from lead devils to lead banga soup. And their city dey always carry eba for pocket. That 3 points come dey easy for them to collect.
No, Rangnick go tell him boys say the ball wey dem bin dey play for that first half no reflect him personality.
How, sir?
Rangnick personality na to take life jejely na. Him policy na even if dem dey knack you, just dey do like say you no dey feel am, e go pain dem.
And dem go come knack you damo.
Na wetin the guy no understand.
Oga Mourinho, as the person wey get Chelsea Football Club, Oga Abramovich wan sell Chelsea, how you think say the future of Chelsea go take be?
Chelsea go gradually go back to wetin dem be before Abramovich buy dem na.
How, sir?
How many people sabi Chelsea before Abramovich buy dem? E go bad pass if the next person wey buy dem na businessman like Kroenke. After the guy make Chelsea finish like cow, in 5 years, the only fans wey remain go dey carry Stamford Bridge for head like this. Make water no swallow am.
Haba, why you da talk like this na? Chelsea no be your former club. If anything safe, na better thing wey go do them.
How?
At least all the plastic fans wey Chelsea get go dey camp.
Go where?
Go different club na. Majority go enter Newcastle. Make I take this opportunity warn the original Newcastle fans. Say make them beware of fans El Plástico. Them go soon start to dey flood na club back to Chelsea. The remaining original Chelsea fans go start to dey suffer from heartbreak syndrome like Arsenal fans.
Arsenal fans don start to dey reap the rewards of their heartbreaking patience already na. You know see as them dey win games anyhow.
What of Man U fans? Which state them dey now?
You mean fans of Zebra United?
Yes, sir.
Those ones dey in a confused state. In fact, them dey stateless. Them no know whether na Ororo wey them go carry for old age, abi na better coach wey them no get, or whether na swear wey them swear for them be their problem. So as I dey talk to you now, them no know wetin to blame for their mediocrity. As you dey laugh, make you no forget to press that like button and share the video as e dey hot.
As wetting the hot.
I no get time for you.
Wait, where you dey go? You never tell the people wey never subscribe say make them subscribe If you waka finish, shebi you go come meet me for Stadio Olimpico. We go kill ourselves for there. Momo man.